In today's video, I'm going to teach you a trick to create interactive presentations. How to use action buttons in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic feature that can make your presentations more engaging and intuitive for the audience. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you have a specific presentation in mind, make sure you have it ready. Now head over to the PowerPoint presentation that you're working on, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you have your presentation open, turn your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and options to enhance your slides. Next, you'll need to click on Shape. This is located within the Illustrations group in the Insert tab. Clicking this will present you with several shape options. As you navigate through the shapes, scroll down towards the bottom. Here, you'll notice a section dedicated to action buttons. These are essentially pre-designed shapes that you can add to your slides and configure to perform specific actions when clicked. Choose an action button that best fits the purpose you have in mind, whether it's a next slide button, a home button, or even a custom one based on your needs. Once you've selected your action button, go ahead and add it to your slide. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor to draw the button on your slide where you wish it to appear. Adjust its size to make sure it's clearly visible to your audience but not overwhelming your content. Now comes the fun part, configuring the behavior. Right click on the action button and select action settings from the menu that appears. This will open a new dialog box, allowing you to define what will happen when your audience clicks on the button. Within the action settings dialog, you have several choices. For instance, you can link the button to another slide within your presentation, opening a URL, or even running a program. Choose the option that best suits the functionality you want. For instance, if you want the button to take you to the next slide, you would select Hyperlink to and then select Next Slide from the drop-down menu. Remember to test the button to ensure it performs as expected. Go into the presentation mode and click your action button to see it in action. With practice, you'll find numerous creative ways to use these buttons to make your presentations more dynamic and navigable. And that's all there is to it. Adding action buttons is a simple yet effective way to add interactivity to your PowerPoint presentations. Just a little creativity with these tools can go a long way in making your slides more engaging and professional. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.